So this is a law of attraction secret you must try. Start with the word now and draw a circle around it in the middle of a page. And then draw rays like a sunshine radiating out from the circle. You could draw about 4 or 5 lines total in this. And on each line, you're going to write down a various amount of money. We'll start with $500. We're going to write down $1,000. We're going to write down $5,000, 10,000, and then something even larger at, say, 50,000. Now you're going to go through each of these 5 amounts, and you're going to go and choose the one you believe in most, but that you really, really want. So for example, I might believe I can manifest $5,000. So I'm going to take my highlighter, highlight it, and then circle it. We want to realize that each of these different amounts of money are called parallel realities. And parallel realities basically are all real realities that are coming into your life at this time that allow you to actually fuse with any of these and actually receive them. Once you go ahead and circle the amount you want, go ahead and write down, I now activate this reality. And once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and say this out loud 5 times and then highlight it as well when it's done. I now activate this reality, saying it out loud 5 times. Once you do so, go ahead and place a star, and you're going to do this for 3 days straight. So your first day is your first star, second day is your second star, third day is your third star. And you want to feel into the $5,000 to make sure you can really be in it the entire time, feeling it to be true now. And that's super important and critical for your alignment in this alternative parallel reality. And make sure you also subscribe for more.